Hey guys, so tonight is supposed to be a test. WABC 770 from New York is supposed to be off from about 11 p.m. Eastern, which is 04 UT, to 05 a.m. And well, there's nothing tonight here in Montreal on these frequencies. The bands are really dead tonight. It's incredible how Mediumwave is very quiet. For example, this should be Toronto, and although I do have it, it's barely above the noise floor. This is usually so strong here, so some absorption is happening. There's, K index is 4, so some geomagnetic unrest is happening, and up here it's creating really a big problem on the CFRB Toronto.
If you go to Royal Military College, even in Royal Roads in British Columbia, they have one day they speak in French, one day they speak in English, and they should be ready.
Boston. WBZ Boston barely making it. This is incredible. I rarely have seen I've seen the Mediumwave band crap out like this, but like tonight, it doesn't happen that often. That was something I was scared because last night I actually tuned and conditions were not good. So I was afraid that there was going to be a repeat tonight, and it seems like there is, which is very sad. Let's try 1130 in New York. 1130. Barely making. These are all stations that are almost local when they are really good here in Montreal. It's really incredible, and it shows where in the latitude where you live, the more south you are, the less you are affected. I was looking at some of the posts, and some people were actually hearing very well 770 New York, but they were south of New York. They were even up to in Florida. And but up here in Montreal, which is more north, we're probably under the influence of that geomagnetic unrest right now. So yeah, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it because sometimes conditions can actually come back. I will try it at 11 at around midnight 05 UT. We'll see if I can do something. There's quite a few stations that could be interesting to receive on 770 if WABC is off, but right now it's it'd be off or it'd be on and it's on right now because it's 11 p.m. usually, and I wouldn't know the difference, and there's really nothing else on the frequency right now. So kind of sad because I was looking forward for this, but these are the lessons of how propagation changes, how propagation can from 1 minute to the next, from hour to hour shift. And of course, if I do get some propagation that seems to be coming back later, I'll try to make a video about it. But also, I thought it'd be an interesting video to post to show you how, latitude, the closer to the poles you are, the more effect you get from these geomagnetic storms and unrest. And, even Mediumwave can be affected by really bad propagation at night. So, hopefully, maybe it's going to come back. I don't know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.